Welcome, today I am with VIVO X60 Pro and I will show you how face unlock works in this device. So we are going to make a few tries and we are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable, so it can recognize my face in all tries. So let's start, let's make this unlocks right now. Whoa, so as you can see, it even looks like there's no any screen. I mean, there's no any screen protection, but I just show you that it is really. So take a look, when I press on the volume key right now, I mean on the power button, I have to swipe up and then input my lock screen method. But when I try to unlock, it just really blows my mind, to be honest. I think it's very close to the Oppo Find X2 Pro, or maybe it's a little bit faster, but for sure, for 100% this is the fastest recognition in any smartphone. It also outperformed the Mi 10, I mean Mi 11 or OnePlus 9 Pro, and it's even faster than the sensor that you can find here in the screen. So yeah, as you can see, it works really great. It can recognize my face in a very try and it's very fast. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.